Assalamualaikum dear students, hope all of you fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana on behalf of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a computer class for class 2. So dear students, our today's topic Chapter 1 Reading Done and Short Questions 1. Our lecture number 1 and homework also 1. Today's topic Chapter 1 Reading Done and Short Question 1. Lecture 1 and homework also 1. Okay dear learners, look at your book. Your book name is it.com book 1. Okay. Now let's start our class. Chapter 1. Our chapter 1 name is the smart machine. That is our learning objectives. Our learning objectives are what is machine, what is computer, different types of computer, and minimum requirement to maintain the computer lab and types of computer. Okay. And what is a machine? Machine is a thing which reduces human labor and makes work easy to do. Machine makes the work more accurate. Machine is a tool containing one or more parts that require electricity to function. For example, car is also machine, radio, juicer, mixer, air conditioner, washing machine, etc. also has a machine. Okay. Now move on page number 8. Okay, dear learners, there are different types of machines here. There are air conditioner, washing machine, car, tape recorder, mixture grinder, and a juicer. Okay, and each instrument has a machine. Okay. Now apply your knowledge. Take which of these are machine. Here are school bus, mobile phone, and tree. Which of these are machine? So mobile phone and school bus also has a machine. And apply your knowledge. Take which of these are not used at your home. This is a printer, it's a mobile phone, and it's also it's a machine that is used in a factory. Your question is take which of these are not used at your home. So this is are not used at your home. Now computer. Computer is the most intelligent invention of mankind which reduces human labor and makes work easy to do. Computer is an electronic machine that runs through electricity. Okay. And what computer can do? Computers can do many things, such as it helps to do every work correctly, it helps to do pictures, it helps to play games, it helps to listen to music. Then minimum requirement of computer lab. Minimum requirement of computer lab. What are the requirement? There are given. There are some requirement of computer lab. Number 1, eating and drinking in computer rooms are prohibited. Prohibited, that means you cannot eat and drink in the computer lab. Number 2, don't leave rubbish laying around the rooms. Use the dustbins provided. Number 3, never touch the computer parts and attach cables as they can be harmful for the man and the computer. Okay. And next, where are computers used? Computer can be used in many areas, such as in a school to prepare your result, okay, and in a hospital to maintain patients' records, in a cyber cafe to print your project work, okay, and number 4, in a restaurant to prepare bills. In a restaurant to prepare bills. There are types of computers. There are several types of computers, but in your book there are 3 types of computer. Computer comes in different shapes and size. The working principles and the capacity computers are designed in different types. Different types of computers are discussed in this chapter. Desktop computer, laptop computer, and palm-top computer. Now I explain. Desktop computer. A desktop computer or desktop PC is a computer that is designed to stay on a desk or table. Okay. This is a picture of desktop computer. They usually consist of a monitor. It is a monitor, keyboard and a mouse. This is a keyboard and this is a mouse, and it's a CPU. Then laptop computer. Laptop is a portable device which can be moved freely from one place to another. Laptop has a battery so that you can use it without the electricity for 2 or 3 hours. And last one is pumped up computer, and it's a mini computer or small computer. A pumped up computer is a personal computer. A small computer which fits on palm is known as pumped up computer. So you can see those type of computer at your home, your school and also in your office. Okay, dear learners. And now last one is topic short questions, and question number 1, what is machine? Answer is, machine is a thing which reduces human labor and makes work easy to do, and it makes the work more accurate. And your homework number, short question 1, and homework 1, short question 1. So dear students, you have to submit your homework on Saturday 9 AM to 3 PM. So see you next class. Allah Hafiz.